How do I manage my personal account settings? After you log into your premium account, navigate to Settings in the lower left corner. In the Account Settings under the Profile tab, you can change your name, initials, email, and password. Under Preferences, it is important to select the right time zone for your account, as all your actions in SciNote will be timestamped accordingly. You can also choose your preferred date format. Here is where you can choose how you would like to receive your notifications in SciNote, and whether you would also like to receive notifications via email. You can access Manuscript Writer under the Add-ons tab. If you would like to know more about Manuscript Writer, follow the link in the description of this video. The Connected Accounts offers you the option to connect your SciNote account with your Gilson account if you have one. To learn more about this integration, please check out the link in the description below.